guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be presenting this wig from Sensationnel. Her name is TIARA and I have her in the 1B. And this here, you guys, this is the type of wig you will want to use if you need to go somewhere really nice. I would 100% recommend it because this wig is so pretty. Like, I didn't have to do a lot with this wig, which is also a really good thing as well, because most of the time you have to go in and pluck the part and do all of this extra stuff. Not with this wig. This wig, I can honestly say, you cut the lace off and you could pop it on your head and it's ready to go. Even the parting space doesn't look too bad either. Look at it right here. I didn't put anything in it at all. I didn't put anything at all in it as of yet. I may put a little bit, but nothing to talk about, but I didn't put anything in it. And the thing about this wig I like the most is the fact that the parting is so far back, almost like really at the middle of your head, which I like a lot because it is such a nice wig. And the lace on this wig is a soft lace, so you don't have to worry about it bothering your edges or anything like that. I think it comes with baby hairs as well. I think I've seen it in the front, but I'm not too concerned about that. I never use them anyway. So here is the stock card, and she has on the same exact color that I have on, and as you can see, it looks so pretty. This is the center part, so mind you, this cannot twist to the side or anything. This is strictly a center part wig. If you don't like it like this, you may not like it to wear or whatever, but I think it's a very nice wig, and I won't see the reason why you don't want to buy it. It's very nice. I mean, the middle part, it just goes so well with this wig. Like, oh, look at that. And the thing is, I pull my hands through this wig a couple of times and there's nothing, no shedding, none of that. Everything is just perfect with this wig. This is what the other colors that they have at the back here. This could be one of these units. Somewhere you could do something that's really nice, you know. This is not an everyday wig. This is not like, oh, let me go, you know, down the block. No, this is not that type of hair. This is the kind of hair you would wear and reserve for those nice events. So it is so cute and pretty. I love this unit, and it's so easy to just pop on and go. Like I said before, you can just cut the lace and not even have to worry about the part. You know, you just add a little bit of powder, concealer, or whatever you use, and you're out the door. You don't even need to pluck anything. I mean, if you do, you can, but it's gonna look a little cartoonish in my opinion, so I think it would be better off the way it is here. This is one of my favorites so far this year. I have other wigs that are nice, but this year, this is the wig. I love this wig a lot, and this is so perfect. Oh, look at that part in space. Like, you can't see that anywhere else. Like, it's not even touched. I'm telling you, I didn't touch it at all. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel and bearing with me because I haven't been posting a lot. So thank you for still subscribing and still watching my videos. I truly appreciate it. And stick around for more videos, and I'll see you in another one. Take care. Bye.